I held a tea gathering for my cousin's birthday. First, I have to clean the tea room, wiping the tatami mats with a dry cloth. In January, I visited my tea master's tea house. After the gathering, my tabi, traditional Japanese socks for kimono, remained clean. This means that the tea master's tea room is always well maintained, with the tatami mats carefully cleaned. So remember to keep your tea room clean at all times to properly welcome your guests. Today's hanging scroll features the phrase Bansei Ryokumo no Kame. It refers to an old turtle whose shell has aged and grown thread-like a green moss, resembling a straw raincoat. This is an auspicious symbol expressing wishes for longevity. Since it's a special occasion, I decided to boil water using charcoal, so I prepared the hearth. For today's thin tea, I used Minenoshiro from Ryuo-en in Kyoto. Matcha should be stored in the freezer and shifted each time before use. Once opened, it oxidizes when exposed to air, so it should be used up quickly. High-quality matcha has a beautiful green color and a natural sweetness, while deteriorated matcha becomes bitter and takes on a brownish hue. No matter what kind of a tea gathering I host, I never skimped on matcha or sweets. That is my motto. Since today's gathering only serves usucha, I need to adjust the timing of the charcoal so that water is boiling right when guests arrive. It's nerve-wracking. I must ensure the water is ready when they come. I light the fire about an hour before their arrival. If the gaps between the charcoal pieces are too wide, they burn out quickly. If the gaps are too narrow, it takes longer for the fire to spread. In short, the gaps regulate airflow. Mastering this requires experience. "30 minutes before the guests arrive, I prepare the tea bowls. This time, I also decided to set out the tabakobon, a traditional smoking set. These days, few people smoke with the kiseru, traditional Japanese pipe, so I sometimes feel it's unnecessary. However, I received feedback that displaying a tabakobon reflects the host's sincerity, so I included for formal tea gatherings. During the initial seating, we exchanged greetings, and I introduced the most important tea utensil in the room, the hanging scroll. I also explained the tabakobon. The basket I use for it is handmade by Native American artisans. Today, I am wearing a sōshibori, fully shibori-dyed furisode kimono. which was a gift from my cousin, the guest of honor. She has a passion for collecting kimono and has generously given me many. Sōshibori furisode are highly valuable, as the intricate shibori dyeing requires immense craftsmanship. People recognize it as a fine quality kimono. This particular furisode has subdued colors and patterns, making it appropriate for my age. Since I had never shown my cousin how I looked in it, today marks its first appearance. Wearing and seeing a beautiful kimono brings happiness. It's truly a feast for the eyes. After the tea gathering, the first task is to clean the kama, iron kettle. The bottom collects soot, so I wash it thoroughly and use the residual heat from the ash to dry it completely. The way of tea is not just about making tea. It teaches us the importance of preparation, tidying up, and treating both people and objects with care. As a birthday gift, I presented a Wagashi cake.